Welcome to this episode of The 70s Soul, My Vada Soni Days. Life's most beautiful and profound stories are often hidden beneath the dusty layers of our own experiences. Today, writer Rajesh Chandrani Madanlal Jain takes us back into one such gallery of his past. This is a memoir, 48 years old, recalling days at Jabalpur Engineering College. But truly, it is a story of a father's silent love, his pride in his son, and that strange moment where the hopes of farewell and reunion beat together. Let us listen to Rajesh Ji's touching memoir, Strange Moments. These memories are from over 40 years ago. I was studying at Jabalpur Engineering College. Back then, I used to travel between Jabalpur and Vada Soni quite often. A good state transport bus used to arrive at Vada Soni at 5:30 am from Balaghat. On the days I had to leave for Jabalpur, I had to wake up very early. My grandparents, father, and mother used to wake up early every single day anyway. When I left home ready, my grandparents and mother would come to the door with moist eyes to say goodbye, but my father would walk with me all the way to the bus stand. Usually, we walked. It served as his morning walk too. As we walked, women cleaners would be sweeping the roads. Vada Soni was just beginning to wake up. Since it was quieter than usual, the chirping of birds, especially crows, could be heard clearly. There aren't as many birds left now. We would reach the bus stand first. There, my father's eyes would search the other passengers. If he found an elderly acquaintance, he would introduce me to them, saying, "This is my son. He studies engineering in Jabalpur. He is heading there now." After such an introduction, he would feel relieved that he had placed me in the care of an elder, and that I wouldn't face any trouble during the journey. I used to notice one thing. He would say the word engineering with a deep sense of pride. Then came the wait for the bus. In the silence, he could recognize the sound of the approaching bus from a kilometer away and tell me to be ready with my luggage. When the bus stopped, he would quickly hop in to reserve a front seat for me, since the back seats were too bumpy. Once I was settled with my bags, he would step down and stand by the window. He came there to see me off, but as the bus was about to move, I could feel his heart melting. It was a strange moment. He had to send me to Jabalpur, yet sending me made him sad. As the bus moved, his steps would turn back towards home. I rarely saw him cry openly. I realized now that he used to cry in silence on every such occasion. All our lives are filled with such strange moments. You were just listening to Rajesh Ji's memoir, Strange Moments. A father's silent love, standing by the bus window, and proudly saying the word, engineering, it all reminds us of the unspoken sacrifices of our parents. Life truly is a beautiful visual art of such strange and bittersweet moments. We hope this story touched a corner of your heart. Thank you for joining us on Atria's Ambitions. Stay tuned for more such untold stories. Sadar Pranam.